Okay, today you're going to have a look at analysing a piece of desktop publishing. Here's my example here. I've chosen this display. First thing I've done is I've looked at the target market and just suggested who this display might have been aimed at. So I've said it's for people over 30 with an interest in sort of lifestyle magazines. I've then went and done a bit of analysis using the main terms that we need you to know in S3 and S4. So that's alignment, dominance, unity, depth, contrast, line and colour. So these are what I've been speaking about when I analyse the display. So if I just zoom in here, you can see what I've done is I've taken a little snapshot of a section of the display and then I've commented on it. I've also highlighted some of the key words that show how I'm analysing it, and I've just changed the colour just so it really shows all the things that I've been talking about, makes it much clearer. So that's what I've done for all my analysis, a little snapshot and then a comment. So I just want to show you very quickly how to do that. So you'll have Serif open and I need you to go to the pupil data folder. We're going into Serif Skill Builders and we're analysing a graphic design. So first thing I would do is open up the template. So this is what the template looks like. And you will save that in your own folder. We're now going to insert your chosen display. So we insert picture from file. We're back into the pupil data folder. So I've got a couple of additional steps, but you go straight to data year 3. You're in CDT, we're in GraphCom, and we're doing the Serif Skill Builder task. So within here, we have a bunch of images to choose. So as you can see, they pop up on the right hand side. It really doesn't matter at this stage which one I choose. I just want to show you how you can create a similar analysis page to what I just showed you. So be a reminder of what I did on my page. So we'll just zoom out a wee bit so you can see. So I have my display on the left hand side, all my analysis on the right hand side. So how do we go about doing that? So I need to copy this. So the easiest way to copy is select it, hold the control button and then click and drag and it will give you an extra copy. That saves that little step of copying and then pasting. So hold the control button, select it and then click and drag, it will give you an additional copy. So that's fine. Okay, I want to talk a wee bit about maybe the Deliveroo logo. So I'm going to draw a circle over that area like so. I'm going to now select the circle and the image by using the Shift key, and then it's as simple as Tools, Crop to Shape, and it gives me a little snapshot, and I can make that bigger or smaller depending on what I want. So let's do that one last time. Hold the control button, click and drag over onto the page. I'm going to draw perhaps a circle over this area where they've used a drop shadow. Select both of them using the Shift key, that's above Control, Tools, Crop to Shape. And there we go. I can now start talking. I would use the text frame. That allows me to make a comment. Use drop shadow tool to create a sense of depth. And then you can adjust the sizes of your text or whatever and have that sitting nicely next to that little cropped part that you want to analyse. And that's really it. So quite simple. You have to get the template open, you have to choose a suitable graphic, and your analysis should focus on these key points down here. Now, I did mention that within my analysis that I had emphasised the keywords. Anytime I use the keywords, you can just select them, and you can, I like to go into the standard RGB colour palette, and you can choose a suitable colour that you want to change that to, like so. Obviously, you can also change font style and whatnot to make it a little bit nicer. I did a few things where I was selecting the circles, I was going into the colour tab, I was changing the line colour, sorry, and I was just changing the line colour so that I had a little theme going on, like so. So I'll do that one more time. So if we go up to this circle here, I make sure I select the line colour and I'm using the swatch tool and I'm making that pink, and I can do that for whatever I want. And you just keep analysing as much of it as you can. Lay it out however you want on this right hand side. You can have bigger or smaller circles. So have a go and see how you get on.